Hello guys, in this video I will be trying to play Car Crash Studio. What do you mean trying? Oh sorry, I don't mean trying. I will be playing Car Crash Studio. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's see what map we should choose. There's so many maps of them. I don't want to start from scratch since I already played this game long time. What map should I choose? Let's choose the city. I forgot there's the name. What is his name? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hello, load. Come on. Okay, now that we are here, and finally make some crashes or something. There's already a train over here. What is it called? Steel car. Okay, I already have explode this map, so I know everything. Okay, first of all, I want to do something crazy with this train. Yo, I want to do something crazy. Have you all seen this? Seen that train that cop saves a evil bus or truck from ambulance? What the cop saves from a bacon or something, couple something. Oh, I go people. Then a school bus magically comes in and hits them. So I'm gonna recreate one of these. So let's go over here. Okay, first we need the people over here, and I exactly know where is it. Okay, this. Okay, I'm gonna make it where? My brain is still loading. Okay, I'm gonna make it here. Gonna make it here. Okay, let's go to utilities. Let's go this way. Go. Turn him into a bacon boy. Hello, can you talk? Okay. Now we just have to face him this way. Now that we are here, we can finally make him go this way. What are we gonna? We're gonna make him go over to this one. Cube, yes. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my god, I both just go there. So yeah, kinda have to make something for sure. Okay, this bacon is going to walk into this camera part. On this camera part. Okay, let's get this camera further so it works even further. You know, set his speed to 6 looks good. Now let's see. Okay, he's actually working now. Okay, now the hard part. Okay, I don't know what to spell. Okay, what are we gonna add over here? That's a tow truck. Or this van. Okay, I'm gonna use this step van. What is it called though? Step van. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's go. This fan will be going 100, 200 miles per hour. Let's see. It the perfect time. Oh, it almost hit him. Hit him. But it needs to be a little closer, I think. No, I think it needs to be a little faster. Let's see the result. There's a cop to save this kid over here. Okay, that is the perfect result. Now we just have to hit the cop going at the same speed but saving the bacon. Okay, where's the cop at the job figures? Okay, there's it. So the police car. Gonna rotate it. Okay, now that we have all set over. We have to get this thing on this side over here. Now we're gonna set the speed to 200 at the same van over here. Okay, let's see what the results. Does it work? No, I need to I need the police car to be a little bit faster, but okay, let's make it 300. Let's see the results. Oh my god, why is it always the... Oh, why is it so hard to make the perfect speed? I know 56, 256. Wow. Oh, let's go. That's the perfect result. There will be a school. Let's see the result. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I got the perfect result. And now let's do the school bus over here. School bus. You know what? I'm feeling real good today. I'm gonna do garbage truck. Garbage truck. Let's go! Garbage truck. Come on, let's see what the result. I need to see the result. Why did we fall off? Why? Oh my god. I need to be a little bit more. Let's see. Bacon, don't fall this time. Fall this time. Come on. Yes, it did. What? What? The cop doesn't know anything. Lol. You know what? Let's make this garbage truck a little bit faster. I'm going 60 miles per hour. Okay, that's the perfect speed. Let's see the result. Oh yeah, we got hit by garbage truck. Okay, well now we just have to get it on the perfect angle to record it. So be ready for the ultimate result of your life. Saving a cop. Okay. Okay. Oh jeez. Why do you... This was not the thing what I expected, but I'm gonna do it again. Always messes up. Okay, please do not hit it. Hit it. Why do you always hit it? Oh no, we're garbage. Yes, I finally did it. Let's go. This is the best day ever. The best day ever in my life. Hop safe, but gets hit by a garbage truck. Okay, now I want to make something absolutely crazy that no one has ever seen. Okay. What are you going to make? Okay, I think I got my idea. Over here. So let's add some ambulance. Ones over here. Copy them. Add another one over here. Select 2 of them. Add those one here. Oh wait, I forgot the speed. Why am I so dumb? I'm not a 400, I think. That's the max limit. This is gonna take so much time. Okay, now that I'm done, let's see what happens. This is not good. Oh, there's pose over there. Ah! Oh my! Oh, Bacon is definitely dead. Got the pops cut out. Oh, this. How far is this? Oh my god, what a... Oh! Why am I? Oh my god, absolutely. Let's make Bo a little kid. Oh, Bo's never a little kid. This is gonna be evil. Oh! Whoa, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Yo, why is it still going? There's one in the emergency. Okay. Oh no, look at the kid. He's died. No, he's probably in heaven right now. Okay, okay. Why is it so laggy? I'm gonna make something even crazier. I want to make an explosion when that happens. I'm gonna get explode combos this trigger. I'm gonna. Why did we? Okay, let's get the explosion thingy. Okay, now that we have got the exploding thing. What am I talking about? Okay, let's set the activator to any ambulance. First, we're gonna see what thing did it actually hit though. Okay, first. Oh! Everything got blessed. Now we have to see which ambulance that hit. This is not title. Oh jeez. Oh. Nah. Now we have to make this go crazy. Oh jeez. Put this on the max of 200. Okay. The most greatest explosion of all time. Let's see what it does. They say it's gonna be good. Oh! Oh my god. Everything exploded. The bacon. Where's the bacon? Where is the bacon? Okay, I guess he died. Oh, look at the explosion. Oh my god, this car is still going. Bo is never gonna give up. Oh dear. Why is the power lines? Yo, where's the one the power lines? Bro, what the? Okay, why am I even searching for? Okay. There's an ambulance thing. Why did tire just put? Okay, I know something even crazy. Though I know to make something absolutely crazy. I wanna double the tracks like this. Let's see. Let's see more ghosts. What did they say? Oh, they said oh my god! The bacon fell off. And the explosion happened. Oh my god! What? Explosion. Is it the other things? Everything flung out in the distance. Okay, let's end this. Okay. Let's see. I wanna create something a bit crazy. Like, what's a create? This train going 125. What is the max speed of this train? I kinda forgot. 400. Oh man, it's 350 speed. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, this is the coast to the world. Oh my god, what is going on? What? Yeah, whoa, it exploded. There's pieces going all over. Oh my god. Okay, now I want some. Why is it so laggy? Now I actually want to make something crazy. If you know how to make something. Let's at the. And then. As a field goal. What should we add? Let's add car one. Let's see what wins, car or train. Going two cars. Two cars. Let's see who wins. Two cars. Oh, easily destroyed. The train just derailed. Okay, the train just derailed. Let's see what happens if I hit four cars. Surely this is gonna stop the train, right? No. Let's see. Okay, let's see. What the hell? Why did I click my mouse so much? Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Oh jeez. The train derailed. The train derailed. Yet still that doesn't count. Okay, let's remove the codes because it's hurting my mind. Let's remove this thing. Okay, so I did select 9. Select on 9 items. 9 random items. Okay, let's see. Let's see. 4 cars versus train. Who will win? Okay, train wins. Let's see how many cars does it take to stop a freaking train. Why is it 6 items and I only selected 4 items? I always said the wrong thing. Oh my god, let's see. Oh my god, I'm gonna get, what? Let's see how many cars we need. Let's see. Whoa, how long will this take? It will take me forever. 100 cars. Let's see. Let's see this many cars. Let's see if this many cars stop the train. There's so much lag going on. Let's see this. Oh jeez. I feel like let's see if the train derails. Also derailment counts. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. It's actually, whoa, it is messing everything. Oh, the train derailed. The train derailed. Okay, looks like the car win. I wanna just see what happens further. Oh god, the train will derail. It just hit the surface like, yo, okay, cars win, cars now win. Cars win the game, cars win the game, cars win the game. Cars absolutely cinema. Okay, wow. Oh wow. Was my game so laggy. Okay. Let's see how many cars does it now take. Now. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. I don't know if I accidentally selected a word. This has, I know that cars already won, but I'm so curious to see what will happen if I hit too many cars. Oh this, my game's already lagging so bad. Let's see. Oh jeez, everything's colliding. Jesus. Look at that, bro. Jesus, the train's already there. Yeah, cars definitely playing. Oh my god, the train is absolutely exact. If the train is gonna hit this many cars. Okay, that's cars definitely right. Okay, train is absolutely cooked. Train got derailed, cars got -1. Oh, is absolutely cooked. Okay, now let's see what happens if you hit more engines. 1 million engines. Okay, let me talk what I'm talking about. I'm sure what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this. 3 engines at once. Wait a minute. Oh jeez, it actually happened. Oh my, I think this, oh, the wheel. Oh my god. Oh my god. It already will. Yeah. That's what, so it will be cooked at this point. So it will be cooked at this point. Oh this. Oh, this is the hidden invincible traffic light, and now it's glowing. It's crazy. Look at this one. It is so crazy. What the hell is it? What the hell even made it? Oh, look. How many people are there? There. There. Oh my god. One. Well, this is so. I'm gonna add some coaches over here, I think. Then let's see what happens. Trailers. Pretty soon it's in the trailers. Oh my god, why am I keep missing everything? Okay, see. Rail cuts. Okay, put that coach over here. We're gonna angle this now on the tracks. What am I talking about? Let's angle this perfectly on the track. Oh my god, bro. So hard. Let's see. Why did please it already collided? Oh my god! You can feel the lag. You feel the absolutely lag. Oh gee! Oh my god! That's just fine. Oh look at you! Oh what? What the hell? What the? What is happening? How is that this? Okay. Oh my god, there's pieces everywhere. The cars are still going this way. Oh, the cars are still going this way, bro. Oh my god. Oh, what's the steering wheel? Okay. Oh my god, trains might be cooked. Trains have minus 1,000 power. Oh my god. There's something. We add more coaches to this thing. Oh jeez. Freaked out. Cannot even. Oh my god. It already hits when I'm going. This is too fast. Oh gee. Look at that. It's so crazy to see a train flying into the air. Oh, that curse. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think the train's. Oh, what is happening? That's like a two extra. Oh my god. Now that's. Look at how much. What? This is a custom movie. This is a custom movie. Every movie is inside custom movies. The coaches are still moving. Why is the coaches are still going though? The passenger coaches are still going. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Look, the train got out of the track. The train got out of the track. Okay, let's end this now. How many times am I playing? 23 to 24. Okay, 24 minutes now. Okay. What is it? Let's see, man. We don't need you. Let's see how's it going with this thing over here. The kid is probably dead right now. He has got his death 1,000 times. Oh, this he died before I could even do it. Oh my! Everyone died. Oh, this is the what happened to the bed? Well, it's kind of glitchy in this bed. Oh, what is it? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, it's so laggy. Saxophonizer. My game is probably gonna crash after this because I'm gonna have thousands. My computer's gonna crash because I'm gonna have thousands of explosion triggers. Yeah, my computer's definitely going to crash because it's already going to be laggy. I don't know what it's looking like. Oh, this is oh my god, my game's absolutely oh my god, everything's flying. Bro, just look at this! What the hell? Bro! What? What have I done to this poor thing? Kid is probably in heaven right now because I don't know what to expect. Because of this, everything is now cooked. Everything's banned. Everything's now banned right now. Oh my god. I think I need to end the video right over here because everything's fleeing out of the thing. So yeah guys, that's part 1 of my series. So yeah, I'll just see you in the next video of Karka Studio. Bye bye.